Hey, this is Kuhu from the K Junction. Check out this Waldorf-inspired handwork, a simple sewing project for kindergartners and preschoolers. So this is my almost 3-year-old son's first ever sewing project, and we chose Valentine's Day to do it. And we are going to make a stuffed heart out of felt, and all you need is a pair of scissors, a plastic needle, some embroidery thread, and a paper cutout of heart shape. And we are going to trace this heart over the felt and cut 2 heart shaped felts. And we need a rag cloth and a punching machine. So cut out 2 heart shaped felt and punch the boundaries with the punching machine, and then we'll sew it. So my son is trying to get the embroidery thread into the needle for the first time in life, and he did it so beautifully. So that is how it looks. I have cut 2 heart shapes in felt. I have punched the boundaries, and now my son is sewing them together. It's a very therapeutic process for kids as well. So we had done threading exercises before in fine motor activities, but this was the first ever formal sewing project, so that he can actually look that he can create something by sewing something together. We have taped the thread in the beginning, and now we have removed to tie a knot. And I almost forgot that we have to stuff, so here we are stuffing cut rag cloth into the heart shape. And now he's sealing the heart by sewing the last few holes so that the stuffing doesn't come out. And at the end, I tied both the ends of the thread, and our heart was ready. And my son was really so happy to hold it in his hands, and then he suggested to decorate. So here he is decorating his heart with some embellishments, and our beautiful Valentine's Day heart is ready. It is amazing for the kids to know that they can create something out of their own hands. I would love to see and know what handwork projects you have done with your child. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you are a homeschooling, creative, hands-on mommy like me, I would love to have you in my community, the K Junction. All the social links are in the description box below. So see you on my Facebook or Instagram or blog or Twitter. See you there. Bye-bye and happy parenting. And a very happy Valentine's Day.